Hi, magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala si Teacher Bernard, ang teacher nyo ngayong araw na to. At kung bago pa lang sa channel na to, mag-subscribe ka na. So last time, pinag-aralan natin ang comparison and contrast do sa lesson 5 kung napanood nyo yun. So ngayon naman, pag-aaralan natin ang cause and effect. Okay, so ano nga ba pag sinabi nating cause? Okay, cause, big sabihin, sanhi. Ano, yung pinagmulan. Ano, pinakang ugat. Kumbaga sa atin sa mga Pilipino, yung pinakang pinagmulan. Effect. Anong effect? Tama, epekto. Kung ano yung kahihinatnan, ano yung magiging resulta, that is effect. Reasons and results are two things that interest readers. Thus, it's important for writers like you to learn how paragraphs of this kind should be developed. Right? What's in? We have learned in our previous lesson that the use of comparison and contrast in developing paragraph is very effective when you want to show similarities and differences between two ideas. Ano raw po yun? So yung similarities and differences, pagkakapareho at pagkakaiba ng isang idea. Although a comparison and contrast essay is set to demonstrate both similarities as well as differences. Sometimes it only shows similarities and other times only differences. So the next pattern of paragraph development focuses on how you can state details through giving reasons of results of a topic. What's new? So you're going to read the passage carefully. So ayan, naka-flash na po dyan. So pwede nyo i-pause yung video and then basahin nyo na lang po. Okay, here is the question, the cause and effect. Gaya nga na sinabi ko, ano nga yung cause? Ano yung sanhi or pinagmulan? Ano? Yung effect, ano yung naging epekto? Okay. So you're going to answer this following. Okay, here is the questions. Number 1, what is the main idea of the text? Ano raw yung main idea ng text? Ano yung sinasabi? Okay, so pwedeng about inventions, ano? Okay, ano pa? Okay, number 2, what states the cause of idea? Ano daw yung base dun sa passage na binasa nyo, ano daw yung cause ng idea niya? Kung bakit niya nasulat yon? Ano? Bakit daw niya nasulat yon? Yan. Nandiyan na rin po yung sagot. So, what states the results of idea? Ano raw yung naging resulta ng idea? Yung base doon sa pagsusulat ng writer. Okay, next. What is it? Alright. So, cause and effect is the text development pattern which explains why something happens. It's also state the result a particular event produces. It is usually gives a statement emphasizing the cause and other emphasizing the effect. The following guide question can be used for cause and effect development. Here, why did it happen? What caused it? What does it cost? What are the effects? How is it related to something else? So further in developing your text, you can use signal words like as a consequence of, as a result of, because of, now that, and since to express cause, while accordingly, consequently, hence, so, therefore, and this resulted into signify effects. Pag nakita nyo rin po itong mga signal words na to, ito yung effective na words na pwede mong gamitin sa yung writing process. Okay, what's more? So, put check if the item is suited for a cause and effect text or cross if not. So, lalagyan nyo ng check kung cause and effect. X naman kapag hindi. So number 1, how to play drums. Diyan, makikita mo na agad dyan. How to play drums. Sa Tagalog, paano daw maglaro or paano daw mag-play ng drums. So, yung pinapalo, ginagano. Ano? Meron ba dong cause sa palagay nyo? Or effect? O, kung wala naman, then put X. Number 2, impact to technology and education. Oh, sa palagay mo, may maisusulat ka ba dyan na pwedeng cause and effect or wala? Alright. Number 3, Importance of daily reading habit. Ano din kahalagahan ng pagbabasa araw-araw? Ano ba yung magiging, sa palagay mo ba, meron diyang cause and effect na lalabas or wala? Siguro pwede rin, ano? Kayo na magsagot. So number 4, increased dropout rate in a school. Pagtaas ng mga nagki-quit or umaayaw sa pag-aaral. Sa palagay nyo, ano kaya yon? Cause or effect? Or wala? Okay, number 5, the act of kindness. The act of kindness. Meron ba doon? Okay. Next, what I have learned. Complete the given statement to sum up your learning for this lesson. Okay, number 1. Cause and effect is a text development pattern, explains blank something happen and states blank results a particular events produces. Pwede nyo balikan yung yung video para mas mabasa nyo. Number 2. Blank focuses on why did the topic happen? What caused it? What does it cause? What are its effect? And how is it related to something else? Ayan, kababasa lang natin kanina ha. Pwede nyo balikan. Number 3. Signal words used in introducing cause include blank. Ano raw yung kasama nun? Yung mga signal words. O, binasa natin yan kanina. Therefore, number 4. Signal words used in introducing effect include. O, yan, nagpapakilala daw or nag-i-introduce daw. Ibig sabihin yun yung pambungad na salita. Okay, next. What I can do. Ano ba bang kailangan mong gawin? Typhoon Yolanda took the lives of over 6,300 Filipinos and displaced thousands other. Write a 5-sentence paragraph that explains why there were so many casualties even when they were warned of a storm surge. Use cause and effect pattern of development. Ano daw gagawin nyo? Gagawa daw po kayo ng sentences. Like 5 sentences paragraph. Ano daw yung naging dahilan kung bakit maraming namatay, over 6,300 Filipinos ang namatay at nawala ng tirahan ng bagyong Yolanda. Ano pa sa palagay nyo yung naging cause noon? Kailangan lalabas po doon sa sentences nyo or paragraph nyo ang cause and effect. Additional activities. Reflect on the quote, working out and cause and effect is eternal. Develop a cause and effect paragraph to express your insights about this. So gagawa kayo ng paragraph, as many as you can, about what? Working out of cause and effect is eternal by Deepak Chopra. Yan, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood dito sa aking maiksing lesson. At shoutout nga pala kay Olin. Yan, please mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa channel niya, kay Olin Channel. Kay Utoy Bait, kay Ma'am Jocelyn. Yan, maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay sa akin ng mga advices, mga tips, kung paano mas maging maayos pa yung maging video ko. Yan, maraming salamat. Please guys, mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa kanila.